It is 9 in the morning on Thursday, first day of DEFCON. I'm here with Festigo, so I actually have to do a bunch of work. Philip is also here, but he already left with some crew a couple hours ago, so we will see him in the vlog in a little bit. As for now, welcome to the DEFCON vlog. I'm so excited. This is literally my favorite festival in the whole world. I'm about to head out. We're gonna put about 400 people onto buses and head over to DEFCON. Let's go.
So you're doing buses. What does that include?
Putting everyone on the buses. We have a list of everyone that's meant to be on the buses because they've like pre-booked in advance, and then you just have to mark their names off, give them the bracelet, so that on Monday they can get back on the buses because they already have the Festigo bracelet.
Is it Festigo buses or DEFCON buses?
Festigo. This is where we are right now.
Barber, Ben Mitchell, Zach Cummins, Dom Kukas, Madison Stewart, Brian Ewan, Madison Greco.
Well, that was chaotic as hell. Oh my god. I was actually supposed to get on them, but now I'm staying back to do the next load of buses because we've got 3 loads. So we've got 10, 11:30 and 1 p.m. It's confusing as hell because all the Q-Dance buses are over there and then our buses are over here. It's also raining and it's a bit of a walk. I've got about 20 minutes until I have to do this all over again. God damn, that was fun.
Yeah, we're back home. I'm so happy. Probably not the best weather for today, but hopefully the rest of the weekend is looking a bit better. I feel like it's always a thing. Thursday's always raining, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday it clears up. This is like a typical Dutch weather. I just really hope my laptop and the camera gear doesn't get wet in the backpack, because I'm not sure how waterproof those zippers are. Hello guys. Would this be a crew entrance? Yeah. Oh, the crew is here. We're back home.
Hey! Good to see you. It's been a year, I think.
Hello.
Hi! Oh, ik denk wel, je hebt een t-shirt aan.
Ah, ik heb...
And we are in Sanctuary. I've actually never been here before, so this is really exciting. This is the biggest tent I've ever stayed in, wow. Holy shit. Okay, this is unreal. This is the biggest tent I've ever stayed in at any festival ever. And we have real beds, wow. Like actual beds and blankets. Shout out to Arby / Festigo, my job, for hooking it up because I would never be paying for this. Sank is really expensive, but I can see why. Massive. We've got all of this area. We've got folding chairs. We've got beds. We've got a light, I think, a mirror even, and power. We have whole electricity. And this also opens, so you can like fully open the tent all the way through. This is unreal. I'm waiting for Phil to be done. I think he's got like 5 more minutes of rehearsals and then he's gonna come this way.
We finally reunited with this one.
Can you put this on?
I've just
weird
finished
holding a wet thing.
with the rehearsal. I barely did any, well, I didn't do any filming up there. I was just so much in the moment. But we'll finish with the rehearsal for the workout, and Kat has checked in into the campground, and I'm just...
Do you know what the free gift is?
No.
You're gonna die. Like,
Towel.
nah, it's a problem because we have to keep it, but we have no room for it. Every year, I think it's VIP, get free gifts. Or the accommodation, I don't know, but we've got free gifts. First year was a beach towel, which I absolutely loved because it was super thin and it doubles as like a sarong and all of that stuff. I still have it, like I love it. Last year was a duffel bag, which was honestly just a bit of a pain. I used it to carry around stuff, but I ended up ditching it before we went home because I couldn't fit it into my carry-on because I travel carry-on only. And I think it ended up ripping as well, so I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna throw it. This year we have this, and I'm a little concerned because again, we're traveling carry-on only. What is this? It's 2. It's very soft. I think it's a DEFCON hoodie. Oh my god. No way. No way. Oh my god, Phil's gonna die. We were literally talking about getting hoodies because we were staying at some friends about a month ago and we were like living in their hoodies every night. Oh my god, this is amazing. Holy shit.
Is it a tent?
Nah, you'll see. When you
something
see
big? Huge? Big size?
When you see it, all makes sense.
Yeah. Wow.
So I wanted to buy it for us, and now we got it for free.
Wow. Wow, we're back at home.
But yeah, it's huge, and you can open both sides, and we can fly the drone straight through it.
Wow. So we're gonna check in at the campsite, and well, she's already checked in.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna drop off the bags, yeah. And that's it. And I'm gonna have no energy because I left it all. We did 2 rounds of it.
Air is right there. so close. Come, we can cut through here.
That's massive.
We're next to another bunch of Festigo Aussies as well. We should be this one. It's so big.
So big. Whoa! That's the biggest tent I've ever seen in my life.
No, but come, look. We have
Whoa,
chairs.
that's even bigger inside.
Yeah.
That's like a hotel room.
Yeah.
Holy.
And we have a paddle board.
Wow.
You tie this here. So there's like a thing that's sticking out on the other side, you roll it up.
Yeah.
No, see how they do it next year? Yeah. Like you roll it up and there's a string here, so you just tie it.
Yeah.
He had to help me get it out.
Wow.
This is the gift.
Onesies?
Open it.
Bathrobe?
Nah. It's those things we wore at Guffer's house every time we went outside, and I was like, oh, I want to buy one.
Oh, no fucking
I know,
way.
I know.
No fucking
I told
way.
you.
That's the best for Aussie.
I know.
That's so good for Aussie.
How good.
Oh,
when I saw it, I was like, fuck, man, because I was literally about to buy them after we came home.
That's so good.
I know.
I would
I'm
have
so
never
happy.
guessed. I would have
I
never-
know, but
I would have
you know what I
never
mean, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would have never guessed it.
Yeah.
Never. Out of it, I like bathrobe, like never.
I thought they were bathrobes too until I opened it.
I don't know what they're called.
Woody, I think.
Woody.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's so warm on there.
I know. I was literally gonna buy these for us when we came back from New Zealand.
Wow, and it's like it's gonna be amazing for the. No, we don't need a lot of. Well, yeah, we don't need a lot.
They're
of
bulky, bro.
Yeah.
Yay!
Legends never die when the world is
Aussie? Got mayo? I gave it to you. Steal, mate. I can tell you, mate. You want mayo?
How does it go again?
they become a part of
Hopefully not. Big brain. Thanks, bro. It's been a long day.
survive. They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near. It's deep in their bones, they'll ride into a
Alright, cool. Any like, alright, down, hold, and 1, 2, all the way through to 10, and then like 2 pulses.
It is like 5:40ish. I'm on my 4th one of these, and we are heading to the gathering. Ciao!
Happy DEFQON time!
This is fucked.
Come on, think of more.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! We really are. Give me a proper hug.
Dude, I'm gonna cry.
They sent me the renders of Knockout and I cried for that. I can't imagine seeing like a previous thing.
Vertile.
single year I'm thinking, what is it there at DEFQON that's gonna surprise me, that's gonna be new? And every single year you're coming back and it's like, wow, so good.
Wow!
So good, so good. Honestly, honest to God, words cannot describe the feeling of being at DEFQON.
In Deutsch heißt es Gänsehaut.
Goosebumps. I literally had goosebumps like I've lost the count how many times I had goosebumps today. Last time I had goosebumps when I was taking a video of that guy just before and he was doing kick rolls and he was like almost crying. Yeah. The story of Jägermeister.
Are they doing it now? No way.
That's way too early.
It's too bright.
I don't know how Sub-Zero does it, but like I'm not intending to fully full send it during Sub-Zero set.
Yeah,
and I somehow end up,
and you're like,
you know, Croatia, drop zone.
saturated.
What else? That's it.
Yeah.
But like this year, DEFQON, I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they do it, honestly. Like I'm not even playing. I'm not even that much. Like I love them, but I'm not that much into them.
Yeah.
And every time I was, but every time they start playing, I'm like, holy shit! Like, just the energy is so good, so good.
This is cooked. They've made it 10 times more cooked than last year. Oh, that's that thing that makes the noise I was just telling you about. Oh fuck, that's heavy. What the hell? Okay. This is my 8th DEFQON. I still haven't done the cardboard place right there. Wow! Usually the red stage is hidden behind the trees, but you can actually see it this year, so I guess it's really cool. Okay, so after like 8 DEFQONs, they finally opened a supermarket in the campgrounds. Look at this. I'm also about 8 Smirnoffs in right now.
Such Tomorrowland vibes.
Yeah. How much are the Smirnoffs? Because I don't want to pay full price anymore. 23 euros for 4. Salad for 20 bucks. Fruit is $10. These cookies are really good. This is good. This is impressive, I'm not going to lie. They have fruit. I don't know how much it is, but they have fruit. Oh! They have cheese cubes. But they're $10. Value packs of Lay's. $5.79, so $10 for a bag of Lay's. Oh, they have camping. There's camping supplies. And that was the supermarket. I'm impressed. Oh, wait, there's more. Okay, we have $13 for deodorant. I can't see anything else that I would want. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of impressed at the selection that they have, but as an Australian with an Australian job and an Australian income, I cannot afford any of that.
Together we grow. Ready?
Let me guide you to tomorrow.
What are your thoughts on the first night? What are your thoughts on the first night?
Oh, fucking amazing. Best experience of my life.
Actually, your first DEFCON?
My first DEFCON,
Oh,
my
wow.
first time in Europe.
Oh wow.
I love it. I'm an Angerfist fan, so opening up with
that's
Angerfist, I had goosebumps all day.
Wow.
Walking in there, I almost cried like 4 times, 5 times.
Yeah. N-Vitral was my
And
highlight.
Vitral was
Oh,
so good too.
good.
Oh my goodness.
So good.
Prize out from the States, I guess.
We have the best lighting in this tent. I'm so happy. Like, wow. End of day 1. Wow, I didn't even get to be in the vlog.
Mishi. Sushi.
Really good lighting.
Yeah, it was really good lighting actually.
But it was so much fun. We're home for 3 more days. I also have no voice left because I've been yelling at people at the buses all morning.
How do you even pace yourself at DEFCON? Like, I don't get it. Like, as
can't.
much as you pace yourself, we're like 80% sober.
Even
But
today,
even being sober, like, you can't
Yeah.
pace yourself.
even walking around today, like, this is my 8th DEFCON, and I walked around and I'm like, I still haven't done this, I still haven't done that, I haven't seen this. Like, it's insane. And it just keeps getting crazier every year. Insane. Anyway, we're gonna go have a shower, go to sleep in this incredible tent that I just realized that we're not gonna wake up dripping in sweat in. And I will see you tomorrow for day 2.